quadrilateral, big. What that's saying is four-sided shape. All right, so you have a four-sided shape. So we have another angle sum theorem. We had an AST for triangles, and now we have one for quadrilaterals, so which means you're going to have four sides, four angles. So I've got a X, angle Y, angle Z. I need a fourth letter. Let's go back in the alphabet. A W. And what the angle sum theorem for a quadrilateral says is that if you add up those angles, X plus Y plus Z, actually I should put W here first, right? Keep with the alphabet. They add up to 360 degrees. All right. So a triangle is 180 degrees. A quadrilateral is a 360 degrees. And so in example one here, I have a quadrilateral, right? That's all we're doing right now. And I have four sides. And so what I want to do is use my angle sum theorem, where if I add up all the angles, so I have an X plus a 50 plus 140 plus a 60, those four angles total 360 degrees. And again, that is because of angle sum theorem, which is a theorem for both triangles, quadrilaterals, and as you're going to see shortly, more than that. But just like we've been doing, I want to solve for X, so I'm going to move, the 50 over, the 140 over, and the 60 over. So I have X is equal to, I have my 360 degree angle. Each of these angles that I'm moving over are all positive, so when I move them over, they're negative. So I have a minus 50, a minus 140, and a minus 60. All right, and if I do the math there, let's see, 360 minus 140, that would be 220. Minus 50, I believe is 170, minus another 60. It would be 110 degrees would be our X value. I think that's wrong on the notes. I think it's a student's note, but it's 110 degrees. All right, now I'm going to skip to example 5 because they all work the same. But again, example 5, including a polynomial. That's what makes it difficult or a little tougher. But again, I'm going to use my angle sum theorem where I'm going to add up my four angles. So I have 100. What I always do is I go around. That way I don't miss one. So I got 120. Let's go with a different color. I have 120. All right, plus 80. Plus 95, and then my fourth angle here, which is 2x plus 15. And again, because it's a quadrilateral, they add up to 360. And again, that is because of AST, the angle sum theorem. And once again, I'm going to get x by itself. So I'm going to have to move, 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers over to the other side. All right. And so now all I'm left over with is 2x equals. On this side, I have a 360. But now we've moved a bunch of things. So I've got a minus 120, a minus 80, a minus 95, and I can't forget this, minus 15. Okay, so 2x equals, I have to simplify that. So I grab my calculator. Let's see here. I got 360 minus 120 minus 80 minus 95 minus 15. 50. After all that, we get a 50. All right, and of course, we got to divide by our numerical coefficient, so which is the number in front of our variable. And so we're cutting 50 in half. And so our x value in this case is 25 degrees. All right.